Hello, fellow YouTubers looking to grow your channel, looking to make money with YouTube. I came across a really great course. I bought it, I've digested it, the information inside is incredible. I'm going to just briefly go over the sales page here. This is Mike Williams here, who teaches the course. And what I love about this course is that Mike will one-on-one work with you. One-on-one. Questions, answers, one-on-one. So here's the sales page. There's going to be a link below the video that will take you to this sales page so you can read it on your own. I think that the most powerful part of the sales page are the testimonials, and I'll let you read those. But these are real people who have had real results. I'm finding information that I have never known. I've been on YouTube well over 10 years, and there's some really great things. And I'm going to take you inside the course now, but just wanted to briefly say to you, go to the sales page, read the sales page. There's a trial of 7 days. It's $1. You know, so how do you beat that, right? So here's the sales page. Hey guys, before we go inside the course, let's watch a quick video from Mike.
Imagine receiving a regular monthly payment straight into your bank account from YouTube. And imagine if you can enjoy those monthly paydays spending just about 30 minutes a week doing something which is great fun. Now, too good to be true? Well, I would agree with you until it happened to me. You see, I actually do receive an average of $10,000 a month paid directly into my bank account as regular as clockwork by YouTube. And here's the best bit. I don't have to mess around shooting videos. Instead, YouTube allows me to plunder their massive stocks of certain types of video and use any of the footage I like to make new videos. And that's child's play to do because YouTube has an amazing video editor right there on their site, complete with free music for your new video. Now, I said this was great fun. Now, it makes sense really because the more videos YouTube have, the more advertising they can show, so the more money they make. And that's how you get paid. Because the videos carry paid advertising from which you receive a nice slice of what the advertisers have to pay straight into your bank account every month like clockwork. And with the videos and the video editor both being free, that lovely commission is all yours to keep. And if you're thinking I'm some sort of Superman and you wouldn't be able to copy my success, check out the testimonials from hundreds of our members just like you who had zero experience and no technical knowledge but is now making thousands of dollars each month with YouTube. Now, I've been very careful to pace this program so it's perfect for beginners as well as more experienced folks. So whether you're a total YouTube rookie and want to zoom straight to YouTube Gold from the get-go, or maybe you're an experienced operator wanting to take your results to the next level, then you can quickly discover for yourself how much profitable fun this is. So what are you waiting for? Start your trial today and have instant access to all of my secret step-by-step video tutorials to guarantee your success. You'll also have unlimited private one-on-one consultations with me. Yep, that's right. I will personally hold you by the hand and make sure you make money with my system. Now, because I teach and mentor everyone that joins, spots are limited. So don't wait. Join now and start making massive cash with YouTube today.
Log in. Once you're in, you'll see these modules here. Step-by-step tutorials, YouTube earning calculator, ebooks and bonuses, social media tutorials, YouTube secrets ebook, tools and resources, tips and tricks, and support. So just briefly, here are all the videos in the step-by-step video tutorials. There are over 20, 30, 31 tutorials. This is the money calculator. Ebooks and resources. So a lot of great content here. This here is the social media secrets and tutorials. And so look what we have here. We have lectures all the way through 23 great tutorials here. Email list building, lead generation, everything that you're going to need to become a successful YouTube channel is in this course. Tools and resources, and this here again is just so much information, everything you'd want to know in one place. So without further ado, I'm going to wrap up this video tutorial. Here's tips and tricks. Again, a lot of different modules here. So talking about Fiverr, launching a new YouTube channel, never run out of video ideas. Everything that you would need to know to create a successful YouTube channel is right here at your fingertips. And it's called youtubesecrets.com. There's going to be a link below the video. Check it out. If it works for you, welcome to youtubesecrets.com. So thank you for taking the time to watch my video tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.
Make the ground shake.